Welcome to Crypto Expo Dubai 2022. I'm at the Innovation Factory stand with Nasra. Welcome.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. Can you please tell us about the services within your company?
Well, basically, let me just tell you about Innovation Factory. It's a fintech company which does have, of course, about 20 projects in the pipeline. We have some projects already launched. Some of the projects are in the pipeline. That includes the basic idea behind all these projects is to give and provide the usability and utility to all our users.
Okay. And what would you say is the roadmap within your company, and is there any new projects?
Well, yes, we are having a grand event on 18th inshallah, where we will be launching 5 more projects. There are different projects that include different usabilities for different communities. So if I talk about the projects, it basically gives you a solution for everyone in the community. If you're looking for NFTs, you have Innovation Factory for that. If you're looking for ROIs, you can trust on Innovation Factory. If you're looking for mining, Innovation Factory is the platform. So basically anyone and everyone who's interested into cryptocurrency or in a different form of fintech community, Innovation Factory is the platform for you.
Excellent, thank you for that information. What would you say is your number one feature within your company that stands out amongst the rest?
I would say that would be bfic network. Because bfic network we take pride in, because that is the first mobile mining application where you're just not only mining, but you can actually sell even one coin that has been mined. So that is the first in the industry.
Okay. What do you like about the Crypto Expo 2022 Dubai? What do you like about today's event?
Well, I see a lot of new cryptocurrencies in the market. I see a very diversified crowd, which is a plus, of course. So it's a good experience altogether.
Well, we're happy you're having a successful day. I wish you all the best within your company.
It was a pleasure. Thank you so much.
Amira at the Crypto Expo Dubai 2022.